Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the HP MicroSD MI210 UHS-I MicroSD card. So as you can see, this is the card. I'm going to be unboxing it and I'm going to be telling you about some of the key features of the card. Now the most important thing that you need to know about this card is its transfer speed. So it's written right up here. It has a transfer speed of up to 80 MB per second, that's right, and that's read, and 20 MB per second, which is write. So these are the two transfer speeds that the card has. It comes with an adapter in case you don't have a micro SD card slot. So you have a TF slot. You need this adapter, and this is the 16 GB variant of the card that we have with us. As you can see, it shows that it's compatible with smartphones and tablets, and it's great for sharing media between say different devices that you might have. On the back, there isn't much given. It tells you about some of the sizes that you can have. So this is 16 GB, and it'll tell you if you're shooting photos, videos, or songs, how much you can basically store on here. Okay, so that's given at the back. And what else? Let's talk about some of the key features of this card. So as I mentioned, this is a class 10, which you can see, class 10 UHS-I micro SD card. It's perfect for storing and transferring mobile content across your devices, which includes photo, music, movies, okay, or ebooks for say work. It works with all the latest tablets, PCs, all mobile devices. It supports full HD video recording. So with a class 10 card and with a U1 speed rate, you can store all your full HD videos and all high-res photos on this card. It's also designed for hard conditions. So it's designed to withstand, say, it's magnet-proof, it's shock-proof, it's temperature-proof, waterproof, and so your data will be protected pretty securely with this card. So having said that, let's just go ahead and open it up. I'll show you the card and the slot. So I'm just gonna cut across like this. And cutting across, I have access to the card. There you go, the card is just popped out. It's really tiny, it's a little tiny card, and I'll take out the adapter as well. So I'll just keep this here. So that is the card right there, really tiny. I'll hold it up closer to you guys so you can see it. So that's the micro SD card, and this is the adapter. In case you're wondering how this goes in, it goes in right at the bottom like that, and you just press it in, and then this goes into say your slot in your laptop. A lot of laptops might not have a micro SD card slot. They might have this adapter. So this is your adapter. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing and the key features of the HP MicroSD MI210 UHS-I micro SD card. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.